Sunset Ford, part of the Sunset Auto family, where oil changes for life and warranty protection for life are included on every qualifying new and pre-owned vehicle, a Sunset exclusive. Today, we'd like to talk about the 2018 Ford Fiesta. With a spirited engine, Euro-inspired front suspension, and the latest in-vehicle technology, Ford Fiesta is the small car that's big on value. You'll also get a choice of a stylish sedan or a versatile hatch to match your lifestyle's needs, so come with us as we take a closer look. The Fiesta features a sleek hood with distinctive character lines and a powerful quad-beam halogen headlamp system with available fog lamps. Choose between several super stylish wheel designs to fit your personality, and in the back, a rear spoiler and sculpted taillights will make your Fiesta stand out in a crowd. Inside, you'll find soft-touch materials and refined craftsmanship throughout your Fiesta. Premium front sport seats along with a leather-wrapped and perforated steering wheel add to that touch of luxury. Available voice-activated sync technology lets you send and receive phone calls and text messages, or even get turn-by-turn directions through the easy-to-use color touchscreen. With seating for up to 5 and 60/40 split-folding rear seats, you can easily configure over 25 cubic feet of cargo space. Ford Fiesta offers two engines to suit your style of driving. The 1.6-liter EcoBoost engine found in the ST delivers a muscular 197 horsepower with 202 foot-pounds of torque. The Fiesta comes with 7 standard airbags as well as a high-strength, lightweight boron steel safety cage to protect all of your occupants. And a standard rear-view camera helps you see what's behind you when you're in reverse. There's a lot of forward thinking that went into the design of the fun-to-drive Ford Fiesta. With 4 stunning models and 10 eye-catching colors that you can choose from, we can help you customize your purchase to match your exact needs. So come down and see us and check out the 2018 Ford Fiesta.